Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Natwest credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you. Whenever we post a new video, open up a web browser. And in the search box at the top type in Natwest credit card login, make a search and in the search results displayed on the next page. Click on this management grade code existing customers Natwest link at the top. Go ahead and click on the login button in the top right hand corner from the main home page, which will take you to the login area. You can either enter your customer number or your card number, select any one options by clicking on the circle and then enter your credentials. In my case I've chosen the card number option, so let me go ahead and type in my 16-digit card number. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, then you can click on this Remember Me box right beneath, but if you're using a public device or shared mobile device, leave this unchecked before moving on. Finally, after entering your card number, click on the Continue button. And on the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to log into your online banking services for Natwest. And that is how you'll be able to log into your Natwest credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.